Hi, I hope you are doing well. Today, I will be making avocado and chicken wraps in the air fryer. For this dish, you can either buy pre-marinated chicken or marinate some for yourself. The spices I use for mine are listed in the description. The first step is to add the chicken into the air fryer. Then, cook it for 12 minutes at 170 degrees. Now, cut and scoop 2 ripe avocados and add the tomato, cucumber, capsicum, and coriander. For spices, I have used coriander seed and turmeric powder. To wake up the flavors, add a few pinches of salt. Finally, add a few slices of lime juice. Mix it well. By now, our chicken should be ready. Heat up the wraps in the microwave or the oven until they are warm. And then scoop on a generous serving of avocado. Now, tray it and add the chicken. And then add some more of the vegetables from earlier. Simple and delicious.